Hi, welcome to your channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host Dr. Moore M. Ghosh, and today the story I'll share with you is about the only woman Victoria Cross winner in the world. Till date, no other woman has won the Victoria Cross. The Victoria Cross, as you are aware, is the highest and the most prestigious gallantry award that can be given in the battlefield by British and Commonwealth nations. Before we go on to the story, could I request you to please subscribe to my channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant and press the bell icon so that you get updates of every inspirational story which I release on the channel. I thank all my subscribers who have been with me from day one and continuously motivate me and like the stories on my channel, thereby encouraging me to share more and more inspirational stories with all of you. Coming back to the story, the only woman to ever win the Victoria Cross is Elizabeth Webber Harris. Elizabeth Webber Harris was born in Kent to James Matthews and Mary Ann Bailey in 1934 in England. She became a nurse, and when she was 24 years old in 1859, she married a captain in the East India Regiment of 2nd Bengali Fusiliers. The captain's name was Harris Webber Desborough. The regiment was based in Peshawar when the cholera outbreak took place in 1869. The outbreak, an epidemic, was so severe that the regiment had to be divided into split into two for safety, and during the epidemic, over 50% of the soldiers in the regiment died due to the cholera epidemic. Elizabeth Harris Webber was a nurse and the only woman officer wife who was based with the regiment at Peshawar. She single-handedly took on the responsibilities of looking after the afflicted soldiers. She mentions in her diaries her rigorous duties, the difficulty she had in keeping the morale of the men up, and during these critical times, the confrontations they had with the local tribesmen, and how she as a nurse continuously strived to ensure the safety of the men and soldiers in her regiment. The soldiers and men of her husband's regiment, 2nd Bengali Fusiliers, were so impressed with her bravery and selfless service and sacrifice that, with the permission of Queen Victoria, they awarded her the Victoria Cross replica made out of gold in 1869. She is the only woman ever till date to have won a Victoria Cross. She was awarded the Victoria Cross at Peshawar by General Sam Brownie, the commanding officer of the Peshawar units. The citation read awarded to Mrs. Webber Harris by officers of the 104 Bengali Fusiliers for her indomitable pluck during the cholera epidemic of 1869. Elizabeth Webber Harris, after her husband retired from the East India Company Regiment, settled down back in England, and she died surrounded by family and friends in 1917 in London. It was not until 3 years later in 1920 that a royal warrant was issued allowing for the Victoria Cross to be awarded even to ladies on the battlefield. And Elizabeth Weber Harris had already won the replica Victoria Cross in gold awarded to her in 1869 with the permission of Queen Victoria. Till date, there has not been another woman who has been awarded the Victoria Cross. She remains till day the only woman to be ever awarded the Victoria Cross. What an inspirational story of leadership, of valor, of self-sacrifice. A woman in 1869 winning the Victoria Cross, and till date there has been no one else. If you like my stories, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all notifications as and when I release inspirational stories for all of you on the YouTube channel. I'll meet you again soon with another inspirational story. Till then, good luck, all the best, stay blessed, stay happy.